Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whatever time of day you are watching. Thank you for joining me. First off, Happy New Year to everybody. Welcome back to a new year. And as you can tell by the thumbnail, we're going to go for a new look this year. Maybe something a little more exciting. I don't know. But let me give you a hint. So, hood wrap has to come off. Badges have to come off. All the badges have to come off. Ditch lights have to come off. Badges on the back have to come off. The little washer jets have to come off, and other body parts have to come off too to make this happen. If you guys know what it is, comment down below and tell me what it is. And if you don't know, well, stay tuned for the next, I think maybe 2 or 3 videos. No, 1 or 2 videos. Something like that. One or the other. There's going to be some videos, but essentially today the plan is take off the hood wrap. As you can tell, it's been baking in the sun, which is fantastic. And then, yeah, we're going to take the brackets off. We're going to take all the badges off, the hood badge, side badges, and the one on the trunk. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to take off is these washer nozzles right here. This one, this one. Now, to take them off, you need to get underneath it. Now, here are your 2 washer nozzles. One there, and then you got your washer fluid tube that runs along here. So, I'm going to have to warn you here. When removing the washer nozzles and the connecting tube, they may break and fall apart. For whatever reason, these become super brittle after a while. These nozzles are actually the replacements because I destroyed the first ones. Popping the nozzles out is super easy. Just use some needle nose pliers to squeeze the tabs and they'll come out. Or the tabs will break apart. I'm also taking off my ditch lights because I need the hood clear of obstructions for what is going to be done, essentially. If you're wondering, the ditch lights are SS3s from Diodynamics, and the brackets are from Valkyrie Off-Road. Let them know I sent you. I'll have links for everything down in the description if you're interested. Time to remove the hood wrap. I had this on for about a year now. Pretty easy to peel, actually, as you can see. Definitely makes it a lot easier when it's hot outside as well. Now, you can't see it, but there is some adhesive being left behind on the hood. I had to use some alcohol to remove the rest of it, but that didn't take long at all. Alright, debadging time. I plan to replace and reuse all my badges at the end of this project, so to make sure all the badges go back exactly where they were originally, I'm making templates for all of them by using masking tape. It was the best option I could think of at the time. With the template made and set aside for a later time, let's use a heat gun or hair dryer to heat up the adhesive on the badge to make cutting through it quick and easy. I'm using some fishing line and it goes through it like butter. As you're removing the letters, you'll see leftover adhesive. No big deal when you have an eraser wheel like this. You can literally erase stuck-on adhesive or vinyl stickers. As you use it, it gets smaller, just like an actual eraser. After using the eraser wheel, I'll finish off with some Goo Gone to get the remaining residue off, and look, hood badge is gone. Additionally, you can polish the shadow away so you're left with a clean look. I'm not going that far because I have other plans. I hope you figured it out by now. No? Yes? Maybe? I don't know. But I have a lot more badges to remove. It's pretty much the same process as the hood. Masking tape, heat gun, finishing line, eraser wheel, Goo Gone, and yeah, pretty much. So I'm going to speed this up and get through the rest of these.